got Kiera's Subaru in for some new tires. Got these Falcon Azenis FK510s going on to her XXRs. Yeah.
We're replacing the supercharger pulley nose. It's got bearings in here and the bearings are making a bunch of racket. So unfortunately, we have to pull the whole supercharger off to replace that, which we were hoping we wouldn't have to. So that's awesome.
So David was really wanting sleepy eyes on his S13. Due to the custom high mount intercooler setup, but there's not enough room for the whole bucket to fit up there in sleepy eye mode. You know, you got to get it down to the 3 fingers, so it's going to be pretty slammed. So currently I'm just working on cutting out this bottom bracket piece so that we can fit in a nice LED bar and give him his nice sleepy eye look that he wants. Before, after. Everyone knows 3-finger rule. Original 3-finger dude.
Is that Koguchi?
I don't remember.
Okay, the JDM fanboys are gonna hate me if I get this wrong, but I'm pretty sure Koguchi has the 3-finger rule on the sleepy eyes,
Yeah.
and then the 2-finger rule on the wheel gap. So we're about there. The cam this is set up for a track day, not a drift track day. So the cameras are a little silly at the moment, but.
Welded up the headlight bucket, couple on the hinges, added a little plate in the back just because it is going to have a lot of force on it. You know, doing at least 250 miles an hour sideways, you know, bumping into your buddies, you know, at 300 kilometers an hour. So, you know, that should be more than sturdy enough.
Palmer's got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe.
going on? We're at Platform Garage. Just brought in the car because one of my BBS wheels were super f***ed, but apparently they're not f***ed. I don't know. We put them on the balancer. They're okay. It's got a 87 turbo motor in it. Swapped it in about 6 months ago, or I had a few motors swapped in about 6 months ago, but they all blew up. And we're finally on number 4 now, I think. It's got stock internals minus a fairly average street port, and a hybrid turbo, so it uses the stock hot side, and it's like 30% bigger inducer on it, so it makes a decent amount more power for the same amount of boost.
Tommy's got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe.
Hey, got the intake off. So there's 2 dowels that sit like half an inch or 3/4 into the block. Really annoying. So just had to wiggle it and wiggle it and wiggle it and wiggle it until it finally came loose. So if you ever have to do one of these, just know you're gonna wiggle it for a minute.
Jeff, I need a block. I need an e-brake. What? I need an e-brake. Yeah. Okay, so I worked on David's car a little bit today, did some tires, Dad's doing some supercharger stuff. Took David's car for down the road for the first time in like 4 years, I think, or something weird like that. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Maybe in the comments let us know if your guys' boost is loading. If you have to, please wait for it.